In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Facebook Reels in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a reel-ready design and tailor it to your content so it looks polished and on brand. Let's start inside Canva. From the homepage, click on Templates. This takes you to Canva's full library of professionally designed layouts. Templates are a great shortcut because the sizing, layout, and pacing are already thought through for you, which saves time and helps you stay consistent. Next, in the Templates search bar, type Facebook Reels. This pulls up vertical designs that match the reel format, typically 1080 by 1920, so you don't have to worry about cropping or awkward framing later. You'll see a variety of styles here: minimal, bold, trendy, and niche-specific options designed to catch attention fast in the feed. Now take a moment to browse through the templates. Look for layouts that match your topic and vibe. Consider how much text you need, whether you want photo or video backgrounds, and how dynamic the motion feels. If a design includes multiple pages, that's perfect for telling a short story across scenes. Think about where your key message will go, and whether the colors and typography suit your brand. It's fine if it's not a perfect match. You'll customize it next. When you find a template you like, click Customize this template. Canva will open it in the editor, pre-sized for Reels, with every page and element ready for you to tweak. This gives you a strong starting point without building from scratch. From here, you can edit the template to make it yours. Click any text to rewrite headlines, calls to action, or captions. Keep copy short and clear, and make your most important words large and high contrast. Try different fonts and color combinations to align with your brand, and use consistent styles across pages for a cohesive look. To swap visuals, replace placeholder photos or videos with your own, or choose from Canva's built-in library. Trim clips, adjust scene durations, and aim for quick cuts, about 3 to 5 seconds per scene, to maintain attention. Add subtle animations or transitions to create movement, but don't overdo it. Clarity beats complexity. If you include on-screen text, keep it away from the bottom edges so it won't be covered by interface buttons when posted. Finally, rename your design at the top so it's easy to find later. And that's it. You've selected a reel-ready template, customized it with your content, and prepped a clean, vertical video that's ready to impress.